All right, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. Describe a long walk you ever had, past tense. So please.
Well, I'm going to describe my IELTS QCA topic, which is related to a long walk. Usually, most of the time, I get up early in the morning and went for the walk. But that was a normal thing. Particularly, I wanted to talk about a walk which is remarkable for me. Well, it was a year ago when I was in Dubai. With one of my acquaintances, I went to the Jumeirah Corniche, and we were walking on the sand. Well, the water sound was unique in itself, and as we were walking on the sand, we were had some mixed kind of feelings. Like one side there was a sea, and other side we have seen that there are a lot of buildings. Like we can see far from way the Burj Khalifa, and also we have seen the Burj Arab over there.
Okay, thank you very much. You are confusing tenses quite a lot. You're using present perfect tense for past simple. Like you said, we have seen. It should have been we saw.
Perfect.
We don't use present perfect in past tense like this, because your topic is describe a long walk you ever had. So you should have used past tense for that, not present perfect. And then you said I get up and went. So it should have been I got up and went. Then you said we were had. Now we were had is absolutely wrong. You should have said we had or something else, whatever you wanted to say. So please focus your tenses. You got grammatical mistakes, and these mistakes are very frequent. After every 1 or 2 sentences there is a mistake. Then 1 to 2 sentences, then there is a mistake. So you need to overcome that. Let's go on. What outdoor activities do people like in your country?
Well, it's purely depend on the one's own personality. Well, some people go for shopping, when some people go for a walk, some people go for a restaurant to have some meal. So I must say that people have their own choices in this regard.
Okay, thank you very much. You said some people go for this, some people go for that, some people do this, some people do that. This is called repetition. So never use any structure like that. Okay. And then you said it's purely depend on people. It's purely depend. What's the right one? It purely depends on people. So we don't use S with it. We use S with depend. Okay. These type of mistakes. So try to focus there. Okay. Thank you.